Hello and welcome to this item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to create new user. In this video, we're going to show you how to create new users. Basically, there are two different ways to create a user. One is from WMS, and the second is from PASS. In WMS, go to User Account Management. Right here, click on Add User. Input the account email, name, and password, then select the role. As you can see, by default, the user is allowed to have access to all the facilities. If you don't want them to see specific facilities, you can disable that here. Once you are done, just click on Save. The user will now receive an activation email. Once they activate it, they will have access to WMS. The second method is from PASS. Go to PASS, and under User List, it's going to be the same process. Add the new user's email, password, and name, specify which applications they should have access to, and then save. The system will send an activation email to the user. Once they activate the email, they will have access to all the specified applications. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.